Don't stop watching this video. Yes, this video is about drop off, but not about drop off on my video, drop off on your site. So you're building a legal product and you want to keep users engaged with the client intake through the documents and through to the payments. I talk to a lot of legal tech founders about how to do this. So here are 3 quick tips. 1, add videos. Why? 2 reasons: trust and empowerment. With all the tools that exist online, you want to build trust immediately. If you have expertise in this area of law, showing a video of yourself explaining the process will personalize it and build immediate credibility. And empowerment: when people use a legal product, they want to understand what is happening to them. Build 30-second videos explaining the same things you would have explained to your clients face to face throughout their workflow to empower them. Number 2, add resources and fun facts. Filling out legal information about yourself is tough. Sprinkle in resources for your users like worksheets, checklists, and a link to get on a free call with your team if your pricing model allows for this. Make it fun. For example, Upsolve, a bankruptcy legal product, has a page that shows users all the famous people who have filed for bankruptcy throughout the process of filling out their own information. Number 3, sell them during the process with information about savings and your own accolades. For example, if you're building a child support app, you can give them fun facts about how much they're saving by using your online child support tool versus using a lawyer. I'm Dorna at Gavel, and I talk about how lawyers are using tech.